Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll be talking about why your Samsung washing machine is making a grinding noise during a spin cycle and how to fix it. Let's get started. Overloading is one of the main reasons your washing machine is grinding. When your wash load exceeds the instructed limit, it might put extra weight on the tub, causing it to make grinding noises during a spin. Unplug your washer and inspect the load. Ensure that your hand can move freely within the clothes. Remove the extra clothes and level the remaining load. Check for clogged filters. A grinding sound during a spin cycle might be due to clogged filters by debris, lint, or small items. Turn off your washing machine and locate the drain pipe and inspect the filters. Clean it thoroughly and ensure all the lint is cleared. Damaged bearings can also cause the grinding noise. The tub bearings ensures that the drum spins smoothly and quietly during a spin cycle. Over time, the bearings might get worn out or damaged and could cause a grinding sound during a cycle. Unplug your washer and inspect the bearing. If it's worn out or damaged, it will need a replacement before you resume normal use. An unleveled washer is likely to make grinding noises. A washing machine that's not level might cause vibrations and grinding noises during a cycle. Unplug your washer and observe the level. Ensure that the washer is steady and equally level on a flat surface. Adjust the feet if necessary. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.